Hello guys and welcome to the Fest. Today we have a rather special Subaru Legacy. So this is a car from 2006 and it's actually the car of our following YouTube friend. Here we have him.
The online garage.
This is Anne from the online garage. As you can see here with the sticker. So he has loads of car videos including his Turbo MX-5 build and of course this pretty special Subaru Legacy. So right now we are going to make a review about this car. We just made a quick walk around and right now we're going a little more in depth about this car. So yeah, this is actually a really practical car. So as you can see, it's a station. It has loads of room in the trunk, like seriously loads of room. You also have loads of room in the back for your friends as well. And this is a four-wheel drive car. So this is a Subaru all-wheel drive system, symmetrical thingy all-wheel drive system. It even has low range. So you have a high gearing and a low gearing to hold trailers or to get up a mountain with your low-profile tires. But I mean, it's actually possible with this thing. So let's start off with the outside of the car. So as you can see, it is a nice metallic black color, including the sort of goldish looking rims, and they actually look very nice. So we have some Goodyear Eagle F1 tires, and we have the red brake calipers, which always look good. So right here at the front we have xenon headlights, and I think he changed those.
Yes.
Yeah, he did.
It's not xenon anymore.
Oh, it's not xenon?
No.
What
I
is it
didn't
now?
like the xenon. It's way
LED.
too expensive. Yeah. No, it's normal. It's just halogen.
Is it? Oh.
Yep.
Okay, so I mean, this is a halogen light, but it does actually look pretty light. So guys, here we have the tinted windows, which is actually very good for privacy. You can leave everything in the back of the car and nobody will notice. So here we have the filler cap for the gas installation. So I think we can turn it this way. And then here you can fill the car up with very cheap gas. So this car actually has great, it's very cheap to drive this car. And then right here we have the huge tailgate with the symmetrical all-wheel drive logo here. Of course, Subaru Legacy. And here we have a aftermarket mounted rear view camera. And we even have park distance control here and a tow bar. And the tow bar is very handy if you have a car like this, including low range. So let's check out the trunk first, because this is actually a really large trunk. I think we do not need to have this test, but fuck it, let's do it. So will it fit a human? Well, as you can see, I mean, this is even enough space to be camping in your car or something. This is just the ultimate car for a road trip. So we have loads of space here. So here we have a spare tire, and Anne put a subwoofer in it. And right underneath here we actually have a gas tank for the gas that you put into the car. So this is a converted car. It used to run only on petrol and now it's petrol and gas. And actually here we have a very convenient thing to put over your stuff so that nobody sees what's in it. It actually works pretty good. And here we have some tethering hooks and stuff to put your stuff in. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So let's go to the front of the car. Oh yeah, and here we have the beautiful sticker underneath the spoiler. So let's go to the front of the car, because here we have the 4-cylinder boxer engine. So this is a 2x2 boxer motor, so we have 2 cylinders here and 2 there, and they lie, yeah, it's just a flat 4 to be honest. it's a flat 4. So this is a 2-liter flat 4 engine, and it produces around 160 brake horsepower. Anna did told me that it is a little less because it's now running on gas instead of petrol, but still, I mean, you have like 150 brake horsepower. It does weigh a lot though. It's 1500 kilograms, including the all-wheel drive system. So it's not very fast, but it's okay for normal daily driving. And that's it for here. Let's go to the interior of the... Oh, and by the way, we have a very nice hood scoop here, which doesn't really have a purpose, but it does look cool. So here we have, and it's no fake vent at all. We can use the car, wow. We can use the damn fast hand of truth, and it's a real vent. So let's move on to the interior of the car. So right here we are in the interior of this 2006 Subaru Legacy, and you can see that it is quite an old car right now. So this is a pretty dated interior, but it still looks very fresh, to be honest. So here we have the central display with your tachometer and your speedo and stuff. And actually, if you start the car, then this fuel gauge is always empty because it doesn't run on gas anymore. And we do have a needle sweep as well, which is always nice. So right here we have the radio system, and it's just a regular radio system, but it does have the subwoofer right now. And here we have a secret compartment. No, these are secret stuff, you cannot see that. And right here we actually have a very nice rear view camera into the rear view mirror. So here we have a dash cam thingy in the front of the car, and if I put it into reverse, it turns into nothing.
Sometimes it doesn't work. Today it doesn't work.
Okay, so normally this whole screen like changes to a backup camera or reverse camera.
It's also quite poorly visible.
Yeah, I know. In terms of seating position, it's actually pretty comfortable, and I think this car is great for longer journeys, like to have a road trip with your friends and stuff. It's honestly great for that. And this is the high and low range. So not right now it's in high range, and now it's in low. And you do notice a huge difference in terms of the shifting and stuff. So let's go to the back of the car to check out if it's any good in the back. And I can tell you that it's actually pretty good. So let's get on this stuff out of the way. So right now we are in the rear seats of this Subaru Legacy, and as you can see, I have loads of room there. This is just great for road tripping. I have loads of headroom, loads of knee room as well actually, and a lot of room to put my feet. We do have a big transmission tunnel because we have the 4-wheel drive system, of course, and here we have some storage nets to, for example, put your mobile phone. And here we actually have frameless doors. So look at this. This is like a coupe style door. How cool is that? It makes some really cool noises. It doesn't like open completely flat, but we use it in a lot of cars. And here we have the beautiful arbre magique. And of course we actually have a central armrest here, which is always good for your road trips. And one very cool thing about this car in the rear is this amazing cup holder, which opens like this. I mean, how cool is that? And here we have some stuff to, it's actually an ashtray, but that's okay. This was the review of the all new 2022 Subaru Legacy turbocharged V6. And thanks for watching. See you guys next video. Follow the online garage. Good ciao!